Hi, it's Christian, and today I'll be showing you how to install the composite filters on our HL360 Pro and HL360 Max headlights. Sometimes we find that when someone gets a brand new fresh headlight package, it can sometimes be a little difficult to get the composite filter installed. So today I'm going to walk you through on two methods on how we recommend to do so. To begin, what we ordinarily recommend is that you place down one side of the composite filter somewhat firmly on the tip of the headlight. Bear in mind that it should be a pretty shallow angle, for if it's too steep, it'll sometimes be a little too hard to actually clear the shape of the headlight, and then it'll require excessive force to install. But once you have that nice shallow angle there, you can essentially just press down and it'll snap right into place. Alternatively, if you're finding that's still not quite working out, we also recommend doing it an alternative way, the table method. The same principle still applies, just shallowly install it on one side of the headlight, but this time just press down into a table or a soft flat surface, and it should yield the same result. The same exact principle applies here as well to the 360 Max headlight, wherein you just place it down on one side of the lens and then simply press down and snap it into place. Of course, the table method will also work here if you're finding that is a necessary step to take. Lastly, it is important to note that for future reference, if you are looking to replace your composite filter down the line, that the 360 Pro and 360 Max composite filters are different and are therefore incompatible. You can tell by the 360 Pro headlight being slightly smaller and also thinner than the 360 Max composite filter. So just bear that in mind when you're looking to get a new composite filter down the line for whatever reason, as they will not be compatible. But in any case, we'd always be happy to take care of you and get it squared away, even if that does happen.